Mississippi State went from here to here the past 2 weeks, but we'll need to forget the Georgia loss quickly to prepare for 13th ranked Auburn. Dan Mullen says how the team responds will test their maturity.
The family members and the uncles and the cousins and the friends and the people on campus tell them how great they are. And, now this week, everyone's telling them how bad they are. And, they still have all these different issues and problems going on. And the key to it is just to have a great mental toughness to deal with all the noise that's around you, good, bad, indifferent, school, all the other things. And when you get here, focus on football so that you can play at a high level.
It was a big loss. It was embarrassing, kind of got our butts kicked on every facet of the game. But, coming in the locker room after that, you have to have real short memory, have a meeting about it, look over the film yesterday, and then, come in today focused, ready for a new opponent, for a new week to really get after it.